ये सिखाया मैंने ये वर्ड्स ही नहीं यूज किए जो तुमने अभी सब यूज किए. Measured from the center line. I have not used these words. This is not my language. I try to use very basic language ताकि complicate होए ना matter. Gautam Kumar Pandit.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand by LCF?
Longitudinal of flotation, sir.
हाँ जी पूरा फुल फॉर्म बताओ. L क्या वर्ड्स होते हैं?
Longitudinal of flotation.
तो C क्या चीज है?
Longitudinal center of flotation, sir.
चलो बच गए. So all right. Krishna Kumar Upadhyay.
Yes, sir.
What is LCF?
Sir, geometric center.
नहीं. What is LCF?
Longitude center of flotation.
Where is it measured from? What is the distance? क्या चीज है ये?
Sir, distance from Earth to center of flotation.
ठीक. Okay. Next, let's go to Neeraj Joshi.
Yes, sir.
How do you define center of rotation?
Sir, it is a geometric center of water plane area.
Correct. Geometric center of water plane area. All right. Perfect. Let's next come to Nikhil Agarwal.
Yes, sir.
What is Nikhil? What is the importance of center of rotation? Why do we calculate center of rotation? Or why do we need it? Or what is the importance of it? Neeraj Joshi.
Yes, sir.
What is the importance of center of rotation? Why do we need it?
Sir, to calculate draft, so जब ट्रिम होता है.
What draft? Please specify.
Sir, mean draft.
ये वर्ड मैंने यूज नहीं किया.
Sir,
हाइड्रोस्टैटिक ड्राफ्ट. सो मीन ड्राफ्ट तो मैंने कभी यूज ही नहीं किया क्लास में वर्ड. राइट. हाइड्रोस्टैटिक ड्राफ्ट. So the draft at center of rotation is called as the hydrostatic draft. To calculate that. Okay, I'll accept that answer. Mukul Gaur.
Yes, sir.
Mukul, give me another importance. So this is one importance he has given me of center of rotation. Give me another importance of center of rotation. I need some other.
Sir, significance is that ships changes its trim at this point, center of rotation.
Absolutely right. This is the bang on answer. The ship changes its trim about the center of rotation. मैंने आपको खास सिखाया था, दिखाया था, बताया था, लेकिन आप सब भूल गए हो कि अगर सेंटर ऑफ रोटेशन यहाँ है, इधर है, तो इसके अबाउट जो भी चेंज ऑफ ट्रिम होगी वो इसके अबाउट होगी. The ship will change its trim about this point. It is like a dancing point for the ship. The ship dances about this point. I don't want to use the word pivot because then you will mix it up with that pivot point, udhar wala, ship handling wala. I don't want to do that. But in effect, the ship is pivoting about it. But this is different from that pivot point of ship handling जो कैप्टन नवीन तिवारी आपको करा रहे हैं. कराया कि नहीं कराया अभी तक पता नहीं. I don't know.
करवा दिया.
Right. So that is another pivot point. This is a pivot point about which the change of trim is going to occur. और ये pivot point और वो pivot point अलग चीज है. इसलिए मैं वो ये word यहाँ पे use नहीं करना चाहता. नहीं तो a lot of guys in the orals over there in the MMD they give me this answer and then I realize कि क्या गड़बड़ हुई है. So it is the point about which the change of trim is going to occur. The TC will happen about this point. That is the importance of center of rotation. So two importances of center of rotation. One is the hydrostatic draft, the second is the TC. All right, let's come to Keshav Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
What is the importance of हाइड्रोस्टैटिक ड्राफ्ट से क्या हो जाता है? ओके. हाइड्रोस्टैटिक ड्राफ्ट कैलकुलेट कैसे करते हैं ये बता दो. हाउ डू यू कैलकुलेट हाइड्रोस्टैटिक ड्राफ्ट? उसके लिए क्या क्या चीजों की जरूरत है? ओके,
So TPC and COB.
टीपीसी फॉर हाइड्रोस्टैटिक ड्राफ्ट. Okay. Keshav Agarwal,
Yes, sir.
how do you calculate hydrostatic draft?
Sir, draft of minus plus trim into LCF upon LBP.
Perfect. Okay. Kanishk.
Yes, sir.
Kanishk, what is TPC?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
बहुत difficult question पूछ लिया मैंने. What is TPC?
TPC, sir, tons per centimeter, sir.
Tons per centimeter, or it is also called as tons per centimeter immersion. Okay. Jasbir Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jasbir, how do you calculate TPC? Is there any formula for TPC?
Sir, water plane area upon 100 into density.
Water plane area upon 100 into density. ठीक है. All right. Okay. Harpreet Singh Vedi.
Yes, sir.
Harpreet, what is TPC used for?
Sir, to calculate the sinkage.
To calculate the sinkage. Okay. Perfectly fine. To calculate the sinkage. Okay. Gurpinder Singh.
Yes, sir.
Why do you need the sinkage, Gurpinder? What do you do with the sinkage? Or how do you use sinkage?
Sir, to calculate the draft.
Use the sinkage to calculate the draft.
Sir, to calculate how much more we can load to get the required draft.
Okay, that's a better answer. How much more to load or how much has been loaded already. Okay. Gautam Kumar Pandit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gautam, does TPC change with density?
Yes, sir.
It changes with density.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Divyansh.
Yes, sir.
Divyansh, does draft change with density?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your vessel, Divyansh, is going to go from seawater to fresh water, what will happen to the draft?
Sir.
Draft बढ़ जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
Reason for that?
Sir, जो center
क्यों बढ़ जाएगा? ओके. दिव्य कुमार सक्सेना.
यस सर.
ये जो ड्राफ्ट बढ़ेगा इसको हम क्या कहते हैं?
सर अगर फ्रेश वाटर में जा रहे हैं तो फ्रेश वाटर अलाउंस, अगर और कोई डेंसिटी है तो डॉक वाटर अलाउंस.
परफेक्ट. अगर फ्रेश वाटर में जा रहा है तो फ्रेश वाटर अलाउंस, और किसी और डेंसिटी में जा रहा है तो डॉक वाटर अलाउंस. और अगर मैं फ्रेश वाटर से सॉल्ट वाटर जा रहा हूँ तो उसको क्या कहेंगे?
सर शायद फ्रेश वाटर अलाउंस ही कहेंगे सर. क्वांटिटी तो मैग्नीट्यूड उतना ही रहेगा सर उसका.
करेक्ट. मैग्नीट्यूड उतना ही रहेगा उसका, चाहे मैं फ्रेश वाटर से सॉल्ट वाटर में जाऊं या सॉल्ट वाटर से फ्रेश वाटर में जाऊं, तो मैग्नीट्यूड विल रिमेन द सेम. ओके. आत्मा सिंह.
Yes, sir.
How do you calculate fresh water allowance?
Sir, W over 40 TPC.
Okay. W upon 40 TPC. Perfect. Asad Mahdi. Asad, does fresh water allowance change with draft?
No, sir.
Think again.
Sir, it will change.
Okay. Why will it change?
Sir, because the underwater volume will change and so the displacement will change.
So,
Hence, the freshwater allowance will increase.
Hence, the fresh water allowance will increase. Can it decrease also?
Yes, sir.
It decrease also. So, it changes.
Yes, sir. With the change in draft, the freshwater allowance changes.
Okay. Apurv Agarwal.
Yes.
Apurv, the freshwater allowance is it only dependent on displacement or is it dependent on something else also?
Sir, TPC.
Correct. TPC. Does the TPC change with draft?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How does it change or why does it change with draft?
Sir, water plane area change होगा तो TPC भी change हो जाएगा साथ में.
Perfect. Absolutely right. Because draft के साथ में water plane area change हो रहा है. अगर water plane area change हो रहा है तो TPC change हो रहा है. And W/40 TPC. So W भी change होएगा और TPC भी change होएगा. Not just only W, but both will alter your freshwater allowance. So the freshwater allowance at 3 meters will be different from the freshwater allowance at 8 meters. All right. Anand Mohan Jha.
Yes, sir.
Anand, freshwater allowance W/40 TPC में फॉर्मूले में freshwater allowance का यूनिट क्या है?
CM, sir.
CM. Perfectly right. Amandeep Singh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amandeep. डॉक वाटर अलाउंस का फॉर्मूला क्या है?
Yes, sir.
What Amandeep, my question was dock water allowance का फॉर्मूला क्या है? What is the formula for dock water allowance?
Sir, change in relative density into freshwater allowance upon 0.025.
Denominator फिर से बोलो.
1.025.
अब पूरा फॉर्मूला दोबारा बोलो.
Change of relative density upon 1.5 into freshwater allowance.
मैंने क्या फॉर्मूला लिखवाया था वो बोलो क्लास में.
0.25.
ये पूरा फॉर्मूला बोलो. अब तो मुझे पूरा फॉर्मूला सुनना है.
Freshwater allowance into change in density upon
0.025. Okay. Aditya 3.
Yes, sir.
What is the unit for dock water allowance?
Centimeter, sir.
Centimeter. Okay. Does dock water allowance change with draft?
Yes, sir.
Why?
So, because freshwater allowance is also into play, and freshwater allowance changes with the water plane area. So, if the draft will change, water plane area will change. So, freshwater allowance will change, and consequently, dock water allowance will also change.
Perfect. Absolutely right. Bang on. Okay. So, we have just done a quick-fired revision of whatever we have done so far. All right. What was the last formula that we had written in trim? Formula number क्या था हमारा?
3, sir.
Formula number 3 था.
Sir,
4 था. And क्या था formula?
सही hydrostatic draft at any instant.
Is equal to so much. ठीक है. Okay. So let us now move ahead. So that was formula number 4. So is everybody on the same page? Everybody's got that as formula number 4. I want to know that because
Yes, sir.
okay. So keep that as the same so that the sequencing में गड़बड़ ना हो. So I'll give you one question and we'll continue with that. I'll give you one question. So length is equal to 100 meters. Center of flotation is 2 meters aft of midship. Okay, TPC को रहने दो. Forward draft 7.5 meters. Aft draft 7 meters. Please calculate hydrostatic draft.
Sir, 7.24.
Anybody else?
7.24, sir.
Everybody? Others?
Yes, sir. 7.24.
Others? I want the whole class to get it correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 7.24.
Atma Singh,
Yes, sir.
what is the sign of the correction in this question? Minus. Krishna,
Yes, sir.
what is the sign of correction in this?
Sir, plus trim by head error.
Plus trim by edge. Atma Singh,
Yes, sir.
इसमें ट्रिम क्या है?
सर ट्रिम बाय हेड।
तो ट्रिम बाय हेड में साइन ऑफ करेक्शन क्या होता है? फॉर्मूले में देखो,
Yes,
जो फॉर्मूला
yes,
लिखा
yes.
हुआ है हमने, फॉर्मूला लिखा हुआ है, हाइड्रोस्टैटिक ड्राफ्ट का फॉर्मूला लिखा हुआ है कि नहीं लिखा हुआ?
यस सर।
कौन सा फॉर्मूला नंबर क्या है?
सर
नंबर 3 है। तो उसमें हेड ट्रिम का क्या साइन है? सो हाउ कैन यू मेक सच अ मिस्टेक? दिस विल बी अ टेक्निकल मिस्टेक। और ये स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होगा क्वेश्चन का, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन की शुरुआत होने वाली है, और अगर यही गलत होगी तो फिर तो आगे की पूरी लाइन सारी गलत होती जाएगी। ओके, अनदर वन फॉर एवरीबॉडी। लेंथ इक्वल्स टू 300 meters, center of float is midship, forward draft 8.1, aft draft 8.3. Calculate hydrostatic draft.
Sir, 8.2.
8.2 sir.
8.2.
Okay, others?
Sir, 8.2.
Okay, same question. Supposing मैं ये गायब कर देता हूँ, can you still calculate hydrostatic draft?
Yes, sir.
You can still calculate?
Yes, sir.
How?
Yes, sir. Center of flotation is midship.
So,
The ratio of LCF and LPP will be 0.5 only.
Ratio will be
Is midship.
okay. So basically, what he is trying to say is hydrostatic draft will be equal to draft aft minus correction trim into LCF upon LBP. Draft aft is 8.3, trim is 0.2, LCF because it is midship will be L by 2 divided by L cancels. So I don't need an L if midship is given. I can do it without the length. So length is not required. And so therefore you'll get 8.2. So ये questions में काफी बार होगा. When center of rotation is at midship, length may not be given. So don't panic. You can still go ahead with the question. You don't need a length when this is there. ये बहुत बार होगा exams में. ठीक है? Is this okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. ये समझ आ गया सबको जो मैंने किया अभी?
Sir.
Okay. So we had done formula number 4. So we are now coming to formula number 5. Hydrostatic draft taken in the morning, difference of hydrostatic draft taken in the evening will give me what? Have I done this with you?
Yes, sir. You first.
Linkage and rise.
This is which formula we've done?
Number 1.
The first number.
First one. Okay, I've done this with you. All right. Now we come to, so what we did last time was basically the vertical sinkages. And so therefore the vertical changes in the draft, in the vertical direction. That's what we did last time. Now I'm coming to the trim changes or the longitudinal changes which are happening. So initial trim, which is in the morning, difference final trim in the evening will give me what is called as total change in trim. TC, total change in trim, also called as trim caused. TC is also called as total change in trim, also called as trim caused. It is called as trim caused or total change in trim.
Repeat कर दीजिए.
Initial trim, which was the trim in the morning, final trim, the trim in the evening. Difference of these two fellows will give me what is called as TC, that is total change in trim or trim caused. Total change in trim or trim caused. ठीक है? Is that okay? ये समझ में आ गया? So in the morning, my trim of the ship is 1 meter stern. Evening, final trim, even keel. What will be the TC? Change in trim. Morning, 1 meter stern. Evening, even keel. TC, how much?
1 meter, sir, by head.
1 meter by
1 meter ahead, sir.
1 meter head. Basically, what is happening is मेरे को बाव को देखना है. अगर बाव नीचे जा रहा है तो by head है. अगर बाव ऊपर उठ रहा है तो by stern है. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Initial trim 1 meter by head. Final trim 1 meter by stern.
Sir,
2 meter by stern. Is this okay with everybody?
एक बार प्लीज।
Initial trim
एक बार repeat कर दीजिएगा.
1 meter by head. Final trim 1 meter by stern. TC कितना है? 1 meter by head से मेरा जहाज पहले even keel गया.
2 meter by stern.
फिर उसके बाद 1 meter by stern गया. तो टोटल चेंज इन ट्रिम कितना हुआ? 1 + 1 2 मीटर.
2 meter. Yes.
2 मीटर. बाव कैसे जा रहा है? ऊपर जा रहा है. तो इसका मतलब
Stern.
ठीक है. इज दैट ओके? ओके. इनिशियल ट्रिम 1 meter by stern. Final trim 3 meters by stern.
2 meter by stern, sir. 2 meter by stern, sir.
Initial trim 2 meters by stern. Final trim 1 meter by stern. TC.
3 meters.
1 meter by head.
Initial trim मेरी 2 meters by stern थी. Final trim 1 meter by stern है. So TC will be meter by head. Even though मेरी final trim stern ही चल रही है, लेकिन trim caused by head है. ठीक है? Is that okay? Initial trim 3 meters by head. Final trim 1 meter by head. TC.
2 meter
Meter by stern, sir.
2 meter by stern. Initial trim 2 meters by head. Final trim even keel. 2 meter by stern. Okay, so this is how you calculate your TC basically. ये TC का फंडा है सारा. So initial trim, difference final trim gives me TC. Okay, let's take a break here. We've got another class with you, so we'll continue. ठीक है? Let's take a 15-minute break and then let's continue from here. All right, see you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.